What's up, Dough Chasers? So I'm going to share with you a couple strategies that will help you on your credit repair journey while disputing collections that are on your credit report. So here's the scenario. You recently requested debt validation on a few accounts on your credit report, and some debt collectors may have responded. What we're going to focus on are the debt collectors who have failed to respond to you but are still reporting the collection on your credit report. Here are a couple strategies you can use right away to continue to fight those debts to produce some kind of result. Now, before I go any further, what you need to understand is that credit repair is not guaranteed. You do have to continue to implement more strategies to help you fight your credit report. However, if you continue to remain consistent and don't give up, eventually you'll make a breakthrough and get the results that you want. But never go into credit repair expecting everything to get removed, because it's very unlikely. However, if you use these two strategies I'm going to share with you, you'll have a greater odd of removing those collections from your credit report, because at the end of the day, debt collectors do have to abide under the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. And what I'm going to be sharing with you is basically how they are violating those two laws. And if you're interested in getting more help, feel free to look into my credit repair service, the 700clubcreditrepair.com. That link will be in the bio, or take advantage of my online courses where I teach you more strategy to remove collections from your credit report. So here's the scenario. You just disputed some accounts from your credit report, and some of the debt collectors have failed to respond. Debt validation is basically a strategy in which the debt collector has to provide you with certain documentation to basically prove that you are liable for the debt. In most cases, debt collectors are janky and they may not respond to this information. And what you can use for the first strategy is basically bringing to the credit bureau's attention that the debt collector has failed to respond to you. What you can do is send the credit bureau a copy of the letter, and if you're tracking it, or if you sent the letter certified, sending that proof of tracking helps your case as well. Send that to the credit bureau and dispute that account, letting them know that you request debt validation on the credit report. The debt collector failed to remove it from your credit report or provide the validation, and you're requesting a removal. That strategy can help you get that collection account removed from your credit report. But before I go any further, do me a favor. Like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and leave me a comment to let me know that this information is helping you. All right, back to the video. The second thing that you need to understand is that when you are disputing accounts with debt collectors or any creditor, furnisher who's reporting information in your credit report, under the law, they must update your account to dispute it. And a lot of times they fail to do that. And another strategy that you can use when disputing these accounts is using that documentation and bringing it to the credit bureau's attention that, hey, I disputed this account, 30 days have passed and they have yet to update my account to dispute it. I request that this account is removed. Using those two strategies will help you further along your process of repairing your credit. And again, if you are struggling with fixing your credit and you need help from experts like myself and my team, feel free to learn more about our credit repair service by clicking the link associated to this video, or taking my online courses with more strategy and methods to help you fix your credit. Both of those links are provided in the description of this video. But before you go, do me a favor, like this video right now, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and leave me a comment to let me know that you appreciate this information. Again, my name is Jason White. I want to thank you for your time. Hopefully this information is helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out. Peace.